This is 347 stroker Ford. Just got done making some beautiful power on the dyno. This one this is for the old timers out there. Got the Holley 750 double pumper on here, Pro Billet distributor. This got a black diamond CVF kit on here. Black block. Black's the theme on this motor. Looks great, sounds great, made good power. If you have any questions about any of our builds, please give us a call. We'll be happy to put something together for your ride, whether it be carbureted, supercharged, fuel injected. We got it all here, folks. 1-800-267-3940.
Fires right up, nice. AFR's beautiful. Oil pressure, nice. Let's make it full. There you go. Nice. Love it.